Welcome to this guided meditation, where we will journey into the energy of the chakras, focusing today on the sacral chakra. The chakras are energy centers within our body, each affecting our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When these energy centers are in balance, we experience harmony and flow in life. Today, we will focus on the sacral chakra, also known as Svadhisthana. Located just below the navel, this chakra governs your creativity, passion, pleasure, and emotional balance. When the sacral chakra is aligned and open, you feel a deep sense of joy, connection, and creativity flowing effortlessly through your life. The sacral chakra plays a vital role in our emotional and creative expression. Like water, this energy needs to flow freely to nurture your inner desires and passions. In this meditation, we will guide you in activating and balancing your sacral chakra, helping you connect with your creative self and emotional depth. If you're interested in exploring more chakra-focused sessions or other meditation themes, click on the card above to see all videos in our meditation series. Before we begin, consider creating an atmosphere that resonates with the sacral chakra. You might want to light an orange candle, diffuse essential oils like sandalwood or jasmine, or keep nearby crystals such as carnelian or orange calcite. During this meditation, you will hear the soothing sound of 417 Hz, a frequency that resonates deeply with the sacral chakra, helping to release emotional blockages and cultivate creativity. If you prefer to meditate without narration, an instrumental version of this meditation, featuring only the background music, is also available. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down, keeping your spine aligned. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Let your breath become steady and natural, and feel your body begin to relax. As you breathe, bring your awareness to the area just below your navel, where your sacral chakra resides. Visualize your breath flowing into this space, filling it with warmth and light. Now, imagine a bright orange light glowing in the space just below your navel. This is the energy of your sacral chakra. With each inhale, see this orange light grow stronger and more vibrant. With each exhale, feel any emotional tension, blockages, or fear melting away. As you continue breathing, picture this orange energy spreading through your lower abdomen, hips, and pelvis, filling you with a sense of creativity, joy, and emotional freedom. With every breath, you feel more connected to your inner desires, your creative potential, and the flow of life. Now, visualize this orange energy moving like water, smooth, flowing, and abundant. Let it cleanse and refresh you, washing away any stagnation or emotional blocks that may have formed. You are free to feel, to create, and to embrace the beauty of your emotions. In your mind, silently repeat the following affirmations, allowing their meaning to resonate deeply within. I am creative. I embrace my emotions. I trust the flow of life. Repeat these affirmations slowly and with intention, allowing each one to affirm your connection to your creative and emotional self. With every repetition, feel your sacral chakra becoming more balanced and aligned. Return your attention to your breath, focusing on the area just below your navel. With each inhale, imagine drawing in vibrant orange energy. This energy nourishes your creativity, passion, and emotional well-being. With each exhale, let go of any emotional blockages, guilt, or fear. Feel yourself opening to the full spectrum of your emotions, allowing your creativity and joy to flow freely. Now, visualize a spinning orange wheel of energy just below your navel. This is your sacral chakra, glowing and rotating smoothly. If you sense any imbalances, use your breath to restore harmony. Inhale deeply, seeing the wheel spin brightly and smoothly. Exhale, releasing any blockages. Allow this orange energy to flow through you, filling you with a deep sense of joy, passion, and emotional freedom. Trust in the flow of this energy. It is always available to you, ready to support your creativity and emotional balance. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly awakening your physical self. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently thank yourself for taking this time to connect with your sacral chakra. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry with you the vibrant energy of your sacral chakra, your creativity, your passion, your emotional flow. Know that you are free to express yourself fully and embrace the beauty of life. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation and would like to explore more chakra-focused sessions or other meditation themes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos in our meditation series. May you be filled with joy and creativity.